Well, a grand welcome to each and everyone. I am Chainika Devnath.
And I am Asmita Chakraborty.
And we welcome you to the National Costume Round of Miss Universe India 2025. The co-sponsor of this pageant is Pristine Luxury. Media partner, Bharat 24. Confident Smile partner, Clove Dental. Crown partner, Sona Chandis Kanpur. Education partner, Jaipur National University. Beauty education partner, Lakme Academy powered by Aptech. Luxury time partner, Just Cavalli. Luxury gifting partner, Palmonas. Reality partner, Samrand City.
Our skincare partner is Minimalist. Wellness and beauty partner, Clarence. Salon professional skincare partner, Raga. Salon partner, Gitanjali. Security partner, Godrej Home Lockers. Swimwear partner, Women Like You. Swimwear and lingerie partner, Soy. Traditional wear partner, Rangoli India. Loungewear partner, Bella Babe. Luxury perfume partner, Niche Perfumes.
Hair appliances partner, Tash Hair. Gifting partners, Strawberry, Love to Bag. Eye beauty partner, Swati Cosmetics. Elegance and Indian craft partner, House of Gulab, Jaipur.
Sweet moment partner, Nitsis Patissier. Handcrafted luxury inspired by nature, Studio Pavella professional beauty partner, OxyLife.
So ladies and gentlemen, are we all ready for the national costume round? Because our beauties are about to present the rich culture and heritage of their respective states and also of our India. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we present to you for the very first time the finalists of Miss Universe India 2025. Contestant number 1, Aishwarya Srinivasan, State Kerala. Born from the sacred soil of Kannur, Kerala, this national costume is a tribute to Thayyam, a ritual where humans become gods and dance becomes divinity. An ancient sacred art where a mortal transforms into a deity, granting devotees the grace of speaking to their god in living form. This costume carries the soul of a modern woman shaped by ancestral stories, rooted in tradition and raised by the wild. The lotus, a symbol of healing, mirrors her journey of redefining strength through self-love. With every step, she moves as a dancer, a daughter divine in motion, inspired by her gods, shaped by her roots, Thayyam.
Contestant number 4, Andalip Zaidi, State Maharashtra, with the theme Dual Nature of Mother India, Warrior and Nurturer. This national costume embodies Mother India's dual essence. A banyan tree back panel adorned with rivers, wildlife, tribal guardians, and Ajanta Ellora motif reflect her sheltering spirit. Armor, sword, cuffs, and lion-crested headgear signify fierce protection. From compassion to courage, she birthed civilizations and defends them, the eternal, unyielding spirit of Bharat Mata.
Contestant number 5, Anjali Pawar, Chhattisgarh, Saubhagya, a woman's sacred strength. Tonight, Dr. Anjali Pawar steps into the stage not just in a costume, but in a chapter of her own life story. She wears her own wedding lehenga, a garment stitched with love, dreams, and sacred traditions. Once worn as a bride, today it transforms into a symbol of strength, resilience, and the unshakable identity of an Indian woman. This regal red trail behind her whispers the vows of generations, the color of passion, heritage, and divine power. In this moment, Anjali honors her roots, her journey, and every woman who dares to carry her past with pride and her future with fire.
Contestant number 6, Anushka Ghosh, State Odisha, with the theme Nilanjali, the mystic muse of Odisha. Inspired by Odisha's vibrant spirit, Nilanjali celebrates its natural and cultural heritage. Majestic wings echo the Indian roller's freedom, while the blue tiger butterfly silhouette symbolizes grace and transformation. Cascading tendrils mimic temple carvings, and the crown blooms with Ashoka flowers, signifying strength and sacred femininity. Every detail transforms Odisha's biodiversity into wearable art, honoring its timeless elegance and identity. Contestant number 8, Bhanvi Bharadwaj, with the theme From the Border to the Universe. From the land where mountains cradle beauty, yet echo with gunfire, she walks as the beating heart of Jammu and Kashmir. Camouflage salutes the Indian army, the peace symbol with real bombshells, bleeds with sacrifice. Her skirt blooms with Kashmir's valleys, Sindoor in hands for Operation Sindoor. Tonight, she carries the dreams and wounds of her people.
Contestant number 9, Shaivalry Laltang, Meghalaya. Eagle, the strength of Meghalaya. On the Miss Universe India stage, Shaivalry soars as the living spirit of the eagle, majestic, fearless, and free. Her national costume, adorned with grand wings and intricate details, symbolizes power, vision, and pride. More than a costume, it reflects her roots in Meghalaya, a land where women lead, traditions thrive, and identity is strength. Coming from a matrilineal society, she carries the grace of her heritage and the courage of her dreams. She does not just wear the eagle, she becomes it. A voice from the hills, a force of nature. She rises above, proud to represent her people and purpose, Meghalaya.
Contestant number 10, Chanchal Kaur from Punjab, with the theme The Heart of Punjab. Chanchal's outfit embodies Punjab through 3 symbols. The Faki, a hand fan reflecting festivity and rich musical heritage of Punjab. A gold ghagra honoring farmers who make Punjab India's wheat basket. And a veil signifying its harmony of faiths. Wherever a Punjabi goes, Punjab journeys with them in their blood, heart, and soul.
Contestant number 11, Divyankshi Sachi, Bihar. Mon Shakti, power of silence. Every child is divine is more than a slogan. It's a tribute to her younger brother, Vivek, whom she recently lost. He never spoke, yet showed her the true meaning of strength and resilience. This costume, inspired by Lord Ganesh, reflects how intelligence and ability can't be boxed by society's labels. Children with special needs hold divine potential. Through this, she honors every child's silent courage and every caregiver's strength. It's a call for awareness, inclusion, and empathy, a reminder that even in silence, there is power. And every child deserves to be seen, heard, and celebrated.
Contestant number 12, Evelyn Zachingpui from Mizoram. Evelyn's costume honors Chuang Tingleri, the legendary Mizo queen who ruled the animal kingdom with grace and power. It reflects Mizo mythology, where hunting proved valor for the afterlife. The intricate ponche pattern celebrates the rich heritage of Mizoram. Mythologically royal and culturally proud, she embodies Mizoram's beauty, one vibrant flower in India's diverse garden. Her branches signify the state flower of Mizoram. Contestant number 14, Jacqueline Pradhan from Sikkim. Celebrating 50 years of statehood and Sikkim's rich biodiversity and a tribute to her trans community. She proudly represents Sikkim, a land of breathtaking landscapes, deep traditions and vibrant diversity. Since joining India in 1975, Sikkim has blended heritage with progress. She showcases its culture, unity, and every corner of its hilltop beauty. More than a destination, Sikkim reflects harmony, resilience, and pride, a spirit she carries with honor and purpose.
Contestant number 15, Janvi Malhotra, Madhya Pradesh. The Sustainabella, presenting a vision of the future crafted from the wisdom of the past. Janvi's national costume is a testament to sustainable fashion, celebrating the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle, made from leftover pure cotton. This outfit showcases Bagh print, the eco-friendly hand-block art of Madhya Pradesh, created with non-chemical dyes and pure river water. The process itself honors the earth, using natural resources mindfully and embracing slow, thoughtful craftsmanship. Each fabric is patiently soaked, washed, and hand-printed, transforming waste into wearable art.
Contestant number 16, Kamakshi Atreya from Tamil Nadu, with the theme, We the People of India. This national costume honors the document that makes India the world's largest democracy. The skirt depicts monuments symbolizing heritage safeguarded by the Constitution. The bodies, inspired by the Ashoka pillar and lion capital, reflect strength and moral courage. The cape bears the preamble, a battle flag of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Kamakshi's proud standpoint as a law student, for without it, there is no India to represent. Contestant number 18, Kelulu Dahuo from Nagaland, with the theme Fudale, Spirit of the First Song. Her costume draws from Fudale, the mystical spirit who sang the first laments and lullabies amongst the Chokri-speaking Chakhesang. Source of mourning songs and weaving chants, she embodies emotion, memory, and feminine wisdom. More than fabric, it is women's voices carried through time. A sacred muse gifting song, sometimes through dreams, to chosen women.
Contestant number 19, Khumjar de Burma, Tripura. Thansa, the spirit of Tripura, rooted in heritage, united in identity. Khumjar's national costume, designed by Esther, celebrates Tripura's rich heritage. The crown, inspired by Ma Tripureshwari temple, symbolizes cultural pride. Traditional Risha and Rugnai tell her people's story. A handcrafted flap features Thansa, Kokborok for unity. Gifted by King Pradyut Kishore Burman alongside Tripura's landmarks, tribal attires and wildlife, reflecting her advocacy for a clean northeast. A sacred staff with God Goria's face completes the look.
Contestant number 20, Lekhana Hegde from Karnataka, with the theme Surya Putri, daughter of the sun. She commands the stage as Surya Putri, embodying India's eternal light and spirit. Draped in molten gold and saffron, with handcrafted rays, mirrors, and a blazing sun crown, she honors Surya, the giver of life. Radiating power, resilience, and renewal, she's not just wearing the sun, she is its fearless hire, lighting the path for generations.
Contestant number 22, Lucky Barood. State is Gujarat. The glory of Gujarat. The peacock gown sparkles, showcasing Gujarat's rich cultural heritage. A decorative backdrop complements the costume, featuring iconic temples, lively Navratri scenes, traditional delicacies, and portraits of influential figures like Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Bhabha, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Her performance exudes the grace and pride of Gujarat's traditions, embodying the state's vibrant spirit.
Contestant number 23, Manika Vishwakarma from Rajasthan, with the theme Kamala, the divine bloom of Bharat. The lotus is India's national flower, symbolizing purity, rebirth, strength, and spiritual enlightenment. This costume embodies the essence of Indian femininity, powerful and rooted in grace, even amidst challenges. She rises from the mud, yet she blooms with grace. She carries within her essence of Bharat, pure, poised, and untouchable by hate. She's Kamala, a lotus, a warrior, and the soul of our nation.
Contestant number 25, Mehak Dhingra, Uttar Pradesh. Wings of Change. Mehak's national costume weaves India's spirit, honoring its people, heritage, and resilience. A silkworm cocoon symbolizes transformation, blooming into a regal silk gown, celebrating India's textile legacy. The design reflects protection, freedom, continuity, and evolution, with the charkha evolving Swadeshi pride and the freedom movement telling India's story through thread and timeless pride.
Contestant number 26, Neha Barua from Assam, with the theme Makamakya. In the mystical hills of Assam stands the revered Kamakya temple, a powerful symbol of feminine energy and creation. Inspired by Makamakya, the goddess of desire and fertility, who embodies Shakti in all her fierce, nurturing and eternal forms, her costume is a tribute to divine strength and traditions and the celebration of womanhood. Through this ensemble, she honors the sacred force that lives within every woman, unapologetic, powerful, and divine. She is her voice, she is her daughter, Jai Makamakya!
Contestant number 27, Ojasvi Sharma, Delhi. Kamdhenu. Draped in a divine tribute to Kamdhenu, the celestial mother of all cows, Ojasvi embodies a powerful symbol of India's spiritual and cultural heritage. Kamdhenu, who emerged from the churning of the cosmic ocean, represents abundance, purity, and selfless giving. The white signifies innocence, the gold divinity. In today's world, where cows roam neglected on the streets and consume garbage, this portrayal urges compassion and reverence. Through intricate artistry and purposeful design, Ojasvi's costume revives the respect once given to the gentle beings, cows.
Contestant number 30, Raksha Jaiswal from Maharashtra, with the theme The Celestial Sage. Draped in a celestial blue sari, she embodies India, the eternal Vishwaguru, a beacon of ancient wisdom and cosmic harmony. The color mirrors the boundless sky and the depth of knowledge that flows from this sacred land. With constellations in her aura and tradition in her stride, she walks as the cosmic empress, graceful, wise, and infinite. Her presence whispers mantra of peace, power, and enlightenment.
Contestant number 32, Riddhi Kumar, Maharashtra. Vandevi, goddess of the forest. This costume celebrates India's biodiversity through its national symbols, lotus, peacock, and tiger, embodying beauty, pride, and spirit. At its heart, the Kohinoor reflects history and strength, while the Trishul stands for protection. As Vandevi, the forest goddess, she embodies womanhood's sacred bond with nature, nurturing, resilient, and fiercely protecting the land that sustains us, a powerful tribute to the divine woman.
Contestant number 33, Riya Tirke from Jharkhand, with her theme, Goddess of Sustainability. The beauty of life is in the sustainable steps which we take to lead a life with ease and compassion. This outfit depicts the importance of clean water and green nature. From installing solar panels to generating electricity through wind energy and hydropower plants, we support renewable energy. As a mankind, sustainable lifestyle is the only way to retrieve our planet. It is the sustainable thought of every Indian which will rebirth our planet Earth for a better future.
Contestant number 34, Dr. Rizul Singh, Himachal Pradesh. Himachali topi, Tibetan-inspired cape, silver gaddi jewelry and a Gorkhali kukri. This costume pays homage to a small hill town where four distinct communities, the Kangris, Gaddis, Gorkhalis and Tibetans live together in deep-rooted harmony. Each element represents a culture that coexists in this town where temples, monasteries, homes and hearts stand side by side. If one small town can hold four cultures in harmony, why can't one nation, one world?
Contestant number 35, Roosh Sindhu from Maharashtra with the theme The Celestial India. It is a cosmic tribute blending Indian mythology, astronomy and sacred symbolism. A midnight blue gown with star-like sequins embodies the universe. A golden sun motif honors Surya. Swirling constellations, zodiac glyphs and a flame-shaped headpiece evokes divine light, while a blue lotus-topped scepter signifies purity and rebirth. India's night sky alive with timeless wisdom and beauty.
Contestant number 36, Sanvi Sharma, Himachal Pradesh. The sacred feminine, from Devbhoomi to divinity. From the heart of Devbhoomi, Himachal, Sanvi Sharma emerges serene, pure and luminous. Inspired by Ma Saraswati, she holds the veena close to her soul, while swan-like wings mirror divine grace. An ethereal aura surrounds her, where Himalayan silence finds voice, and the goddess's spirit walks the earth in light, beauty and sacred femininity.
Contestant number 37, Sachi Prashant Kudale from the Union Territories with the theme Savitri Chi Sachi. Sachi's national costume honors Savitri Bai Phule, revolutionary educator, and her ancestor Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, pioneers of women's education and social reform. In a Navvari sari adorned with Sri Ram, lotus and their portraits, she carries the Bhagavad Gita for knowledge and Vishnu's arrow for strength, continuing their mission to educate, uplift and empower women with pride.
Contestant number 38, Samiksha Singh, Delhi. Gaj Shakti, combining Gaj, the elephant, and Shakti, divine feminine energy. Through this national costume, Samiksha celebrates women's unstoppable power, inspired by the elephant, India's symbol of strength and wisdom. The grand elephant headpiece signifies divine protection, while the feminine form embodies Shakti. Sculpted elements show resilience, drapes reflect grace, and floral motifs symbolize growth, honoring the goddess within every woman and India's timeless legacy of bold, wise, and unshakable spirit.
Contestant number 39, Sanjana Sood from Haryana. The bloom of Bharat, a lotus, is her theme. One of Sanjana's first fancy dresses was a flower that quietly closed for years. Now, she begins as a bud like India waiting to bloom. Born from centuries of struggle, yet radiant in beauty, her costume reflects a nation's grace and strength, its flower trail carrying India's ever-blooming story, just as she blooms today.
Contestant number 40, Sarantham Nirupama, Manipur. The goddess of Manipur. Channeling the spirit of a Meitei goddess, this hand-woven costume is a proud tribute to Manipur's rich heritage and the strength of its women. The lotus pink Thamba Lekhok Fanek, Sangai adorned Enafi, purity-filled Urikset, with Kajingle headgear and Shirui lily wings reflect the state's beauty and power. Saroi Garoi dolls hang from her hands as conquered spirits, marking her triumph over darkness and her mission to bring peace, unity and hope.
Contestant number 41, Soumya Verma from Delhi, with her theme, Unity in Diversity. Majestic peacock feathers, each adorned with sacred symbols of different religions, reflect harmony. At the center stage stands the Taj Mahal, symbolizing eternal love and India's heritage. She enters with grace, draped in history, patriotism, and womanhood. The voice of inclusion, wrapped in pride and peace, she carries the message, many faiths, one motherland, one spirit, India.
Contestant number 42, Shambhavi Jha, Bihar. Eternal flame of wisdom. She walks with grace, holding the eternal flame, a symbol of the fire that once consumed Nalanda, the world's first great seat of learning. But from the ashes of destruction rises a story of unmatched resilience. Draped in Madhubani colors, her costume reflects Bihar's folk tales, faith and art. The cape carries worn manuscripts whispering centuries-old wisdom. The map of Bihar on her back stands tall, scarred yet unbroken, symbolizing lost knowledge and enduring cultural strength. She embodies Bihar's eternal flame of wisdom.
Contestant number 43, Shashwati Bala from West Bengal, with her theme, Guardians of the Sky. A tribute, a reckoning, a call for remembrance. This striking costume honors lives lost in air tragedies. A reminder that behind aviation's glamour lies sacrifice. The sharp royal blue silhouette reflects the sky's vast promise, while the golden belt and star-studded shoulders salute those who safeguard our journeys. But turn around and the truth is unveiled. Wreckage, outstretched hands, a silent plea for help. This costume is not just worn, it is felt. A powerful message to fly forward. We must remember those who never landed.
Contestant number 44, Sheena Parashar, Rajasthan. Unity in diversity in India. India is a world and not just a country. Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara. Unity in diversity is the Indian nation's soul, where countless languages, faith, and cultures beat as one heart. From the Himalayas to Rajasthan's deserts to northeast valleys, vibrant differences unite under one shared identity as Indians. Jai Hind!
Contestant number 46, Tanya Sharma. The bearer of life, the keeper of legacies. This is not a costume but a legacy woven in fabric that carries the fire of generations. Her jewels shine not for beauty but for battles endured and won. She does not walk to be seen. She walks to remind the world that resilience wears a woman's face. Royal, relentless, resilient. A living miracle of power and grace. She is every Indian woman. She is Padmavati.
Contestant number 47, Tasneem Raza, Karnataka. The lotus within. Rooted in India and blooming with purpose, this national costume worn by Tasneem reflects a journey of transformation of India and of every woman who dares to rise. Inspired by the lotus, it symbolizes resilience and rebirth. A Kanchivaram sari honors Tasneem's heritage, while the blooming lotus represents growth through adversity. The costume uplifts emerging talent and is a tribute to every Indian woman's courage, beauty and quiet power to rise and evolve.
Contestant number 50, Vaishnavi Thakur from Goa with the theme Samudra Manthan. Her costume draws inspiration from the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the cosmic ocean. From chaos emerged the Kaustubha gem, goddess Lakshmi, and the sacred pearl symbolizing purity, resilience, and transformation. The teal gown, golden shell, and sea foam feathers embody creation's grace, honoring Indian women who rise from life's churns, radiant, wise, and luminous with inner strength.
Contestant number 51, Vachi Parikh, Maharashtra. India, the regal tapestry. India is a majestic work of art, woven from diverse yet harmonious elements. Vachi Parikh dons a breathtaking costume inspired by the soul of India, celebrating its rich heritage in every thread. The ensemble showcases intricate Indian art patterns, gracefully intertwined with symbols like the national flower, the lotus, and the national bird, the peacock. Adorned with traditional gota patti work from Rajasthan, the outfit beautifully encapsulates India's craftsmanship, color, and culture. From regional artistry to national icons, every detail reflects the spirit of unity in diversity that defines India. Contestant number 7, Asmita Chaudhary, West Bengal. Nataraj. When Bharatnatyam was silenced by stigma, Asmita's inspiration, Rukmini Devi Arundale, stepped into history, not to follow traditions, but to transform it. A Bharatnatyam dancer herself, Asmita carries that legacy, the same art, the same fire to break barriers. Today, she channels that defiance through Nataraj, the cosmic force of rebirth. This costume is a revolution draped in rhythm. Like her inspiration, she rises to rewrite narratives and show how passion can transform platforms. She's not just breaking stereotypes, she's dancing them into dust. She is redefining rules with rhythm.
Contestant number 29, Radhika Singhal. Dev Bhumi, the eternal flow of her grace, is a heartfelt ode to Uttarakhand, where the Ganga springs from the Himalayas, blessing peaks, forests, and sacred shrines. Centered on the steadfast Kedarnath temple with drapes flowing like the Ganga and adorned with elephants, clouds, and divine motifs. In this holy month of Sawan, it becomes a living prayer for resilience, renewal, and the unyielding spirit of Uttarakhand after the recent devastating floods.
Number 49, Vamshi Uday, State Karnataka, the Mysuru Maharani. She is an epitome of grace, strength, and timeless tradition, deeply rooted in a rich history of the Odear dynasty, symbolizing leadership and cultural pride, inspiring generations with her elegance and wisdom, a reflection of goddess Sri Chamundeshwari, blending divine grace with royal heritage and modern strength. Draped in the richness of Mysuru's tradition, she doesn't just wear heritage, she lives it. Her presence radiates the dignity of royal palaces, the vibrance of age-old festivals, and the dignity of a heritage deeply rooted in culture.
Contestant number 13, Himanshi Singh from Haryana. The Bazaars of India costume celebrates the vibrant, chaotic charm of Indian markets. More than just spaces for trade, these markets are cultural hubs where people from all walks of life come together. Inspired by flower sellers, glowing lanterns, and flowing drapes, the costume brings to life the sights, sounds, and the spirit of these bustling spaces. These bazaars have existed for centuries, steeped in history and tradition. This costume is not just fashion, it's a tribute to India's rich diversity, the resilience of its small businesses, and the timeless magic woven into every corner of its marketplaces. Contestant number 17, Kashmi from Telangana, with the theme, The Rise of Rudrama Devi. From the warrior soil of Telangana comes contestant number 17, stepping into the legacy of Rani Rudrama Devi, the legendary 13th century ruler who bore the crown of a king to protect her throne and people. She enters the stage armored, sword and shield in hand, her presence echoing the strength that once commanded armies. Before her stands the Charminar, the crown jewel of Hyderabad's heritage, its arches opening like the gates of history. She steps within and emerges transformed, adorned in regal elegance, yet carrying the same unshakable power. Graceful steps lives the essence of Telangana, courage and compassion in perfect union. This is the queen, the pride of her land, Rudrama Devi. Smriti Chhabra from Delhi, with the theme Shaurya Sutra, the thread of bravery. Standing tall against the backdrop of India Gate, a symbol of valor and sacrifice, Smriti dons a uniform that blends the Indian Army and Air Force, honoring Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, Al-Colonel and Sophia Qureshi. These remarkable women embody the strength, courage and leadership in women bring to our armed forces. In light of the recent Pahalgam attacks, her costume stands as a tribute to every silent warrior. It reminds us that the freedom we breathe is built on their sacrifice and calls upon the world to choose compassion over conflict and let peace shape our future. Contestant number 31, Ravitanya Sharma from Punjab, with the theme From Lotus to the Universe, the Rise of Futuristic India. This national costume symbolizes India's journey from the purity of lotus, signifying peace, beauty and spiritual strength, to the brilliance of a futuristic nation. Metallic panels, LED accents and celestial lines reflect progress in science, space and technology. Trailing orbiting planets, she embodies India's leap from Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam to Brahmandev Kutumbakam, where the entire universe is one family. Pradesh with the theme The Land of the Rising Sun. Her costume embodies the rich culture and resilient spirit of Arunachal Pradesh. At its heart is the kamle, a hand-woven traditional garment of indigenous women, each thread telling a story of strength, identity, and heritage. Motifs and colors honor the Mithun, their revered state animal symbolizing harmony, prosperity, and unity. In marriage, gifting a Mithun reflects deep respect and commitment. Blending traditional textiles with bold accents, this attire celebrates the harmony of strength and grace. With every step, she carries her ancestors' stories, the spirit of their women, and the bond with nature. Contestant number 2, Akanksha Chaudhary from Rajasthan, with the theme Devi of the Elements. She embodies the divine feminine, commanding fire, water, and light with grace and power. Flowing drapes echo water's serenity, bold contours reflect fire's strength, and the lotus blooms with purity and resilience. A modern Indian woman, nurturing, rising, and shining. She is a guiding force, a healer, a leader, bold, beautiful, boundless, Miss Universe India. Amishi Kaushik from Haryana From mythology to modernity, inspired by ISRO's Chandrayaan-3 and the evolution of Indian womanhood. From sari silhouette to futuristic power suit, it gleams with lunar craters, tiger, moon and earth. A majestic cape and crown embody heritage and progress. Rooted in devotion, rising in ambition, she stands as a leader shaping tomorrow. Contestant number 24, Marushka Sahibu from Bihar, with the theme From Bihar to Beyond. This costume honors the journey of Marushka's ancestors from Bihar to Suriname and the Netherlands aboard the Lala route. It symbolizes their courage, resilience and hope, reflecting the unbreakable bond between three lands and cultures. Rooted in India, it carries pride beyond borders, paying tribute to the past and inspiring future generations to grow and flourish globally. Contestant number 28, Prakriti Kambam from Andhra Pradesh, with the theme Prakriti, the golden soul of Andhra Pradesh. Adorned as Kanaka Durga, Prakriti carries the essence of Andhra upon her shoulders. The farmers harvest, the spice trails and the towering Tirumala temple. Her golden corset, coastal trail and kuchipudi jewels fuse power and grace, embodying the goddess who guards and uplifts the land, turning heritage into living couture. She's not just adorned in the state, she carries its soul and strength. For when a woman rises to protect, even the fiercest storm bows before her. Contestant number 48, Tokmem Magu from Arunachal Pradesh, with the theme Hornbill, the bird of Arunachal. She represents Arunachal Pradesh, honoring nature, tradition and tribal pride. Inspired by the great Indian hornbill, the ensemble features an Adi tribe's war costume headpiece, symbolizing guardians and protectors. The Gelingale and Poreng panel signify spiritual significance and ancestral patterns. This attire is a tribute to fierce women, indigenous wisdom and Adi culture, courage and identity.